Today we're doing something that is special just for you. A creamy pesto with mint. What?
Pasta queen, the queen.
It's got mint, pistachios, pecorino cheese, which has already got a nice tangy flavor. Yes! Then you got the garlic. Did I just say that? Then you got the squeeze of lemon, the extra virgin olive oil. Now you have to understand that this recipe altogether might look a little unusual, but the flavor, guys, is just all embracing. It will keep you warm, it will give you a kiss, it will shake you, it will say you're beautiful, and so am I. Hi, this is me. Remember me? So hard. Okay, so let's look at what does boiling the water mean. Cut. So you see it's bubbling, it's starting to bubble. It needs to really bubble. When the bubbles are bubbling, you know when they are because you see them. The water is so hot, it just is scorching hot. And now we put salt. Guys, the water is actually bubbling. It's not little bubbles, it's big bubbles. Who remembers big bubbles? Pasta così. If you remember big bubbles, shout me out. Nadia, I remember big bubbles. You've got the water boiling. The moment you put the pasta, you start with the sauce, just like here. Guys, I'm putting fresh mint leaves from the garden. Okay, pistachio, garlic, some pecorino romano, extra virgin olive oil. Don't ask me how much, please. Squeeze of lemon. Yes. It'll take 10 minutes at best, depending upon how long you want your pasta to cook. Well, not that you want. It needs a certain amount to cook, but remember to always drain al dente. Today we used linguine. I just like it. It releases so much more starchy. The little outer edges kind of disintegrate with the pasta water and make it even more creamy. You add it at the end. Oh my, gorgeous. Pasta così. Guys, did you see that? Wow, it took us the time it took to get the pasta ready. We mixed it with the sauce. Look at that sauce, look. Incredible, just like you are. Just gorgeous. My God, wasn't this an experience? An experience of minty freshness combined with pistachios, pecorino, extra virgin olive oil, a touch of lemon, and then a little bit of garlic, fresh. Every single ingredient. Make sure to get the fresh mint. It's so worth it. Now you can make it because you are amazing. It's so much. Things that has happened to people. Catching things on fire. It's awful. Especially when you're trying to be professional and people are looking at you and all of a sudden you see smoke and it smells awful and then you realize that you just were in the wrong place at the wrong time. Dolce.